Hello, present times Linux here, and this is the new build of EB's XFCE. So we'll start it off, and it really is the new build. So I just want to make sure I've got everything right. I've just built the ISO. I've copied the ISO to the drive where I can actually access it from. Yeah, that'd be a good idea. And I'm going to test it now, and once this test is done, it will be uploaded. So what I actually need, because I might have left the thingies in there, but I'm not too worried about that. UK keyboard, cool. Hold on a minute. I know what I'm looking for here. There we go, that's for when I need it. Okay, UK keyboard, select. So there it is. That's his guest account and business. Complete with the installer there. Just take you through some stuff. I won't install the well, I could do actually, couldn't I? Let's install the installer. That. This is why it was 6.12 that was already installed. I did not remove them last time. But however, alas, I'm just wondering whether that there will be problems with this 6.012 guest editions on the, if he does downgrade to 5.2 on VirtualBox. Now I have no way of testing that. But I'm hoping just what will happen is nothing. He will have to remove xorg.conf if he's using 5.2. And even then there's no guarantee that he will get a desktop out of it. So we'll just do that, and that's been installed. So we've got a full screen. So with that, that's what I didn't do. I didn't make it executable, but that's fine. Yeah, use existing partitions is absolutely fine. Okay, this should install pretty good. I won't pause the video for this, I'll just let it carry on all the way through. Now, seems to be plenty of drive activity, so that is all good. So where are we? Just under halfway. Can halfway is about there, would you say? So yeah, approaching the halfway stage. Passing the halfway stage. Very cool. There's quite a bit on this ISO to decompress, although the ISO come out around about 1.8 gig, which I'm really pleased about. But then I haven't got a lot of stuff that maybe did before, not sure. But Steam's installed, Lutris is installed, NVIDIA drivers are installed and updated. New kernel. Thinking what else I've done to her. So that's all good. I'd like to know what that banging is myself. And for some reason I have lost an ashtray. So anyway, moving on. we're nearly up to the bit where it's going to do the bootloader routine. So I'm just going to go next on here. And next screen, I might not even let it probe because it's pointless. There are no other OSs on this, but he can leave it turned on for his. If he does have another OS, it will probe them. Okay, we're done. So we'll reboot that. I need to remove it from the machine because it does anyway. That says an eject device or dollar device. A device could be anything. So, okay, its first boot is always the slowest. Always. Now, if you want to know what's going on, hit escape, and you can see there it's looking for new hardware. So that's what the delay was. Okay, I've already set him up for London, and that's just the thing is kicking in. I won't bother with the root password, but I will bother with mine, because it's going to get wiped again in a minute anyway. Okay, let's log myself in. And there we go. That will be his desktop. Terminal later, XFCE, more applications. Time shift I've added for him, in case he wants anything to back up. Bleach split, catfish file search. The whiskey menu is around somewhere, I just haven't added it to the desktop. Because I can't remember if whiskey menu actually behaved itself. So we've got Caden Live, OBS. There we go. That's why I was just recording. Next. There we go. Just doing its business. For my audio settings, yeah, it just says software H264. Blah 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 blah. Okay, apply. And there we go. So that's working. I'll just see if we can do a screen capture on it. And we can. So that is working absolutely well. There's no audio or desktop input because there's nothing to set up. Because I haven't set it up. I'd have to try. I wonder if I can add that to audio here right now. Right, is that working? No, of course not. Don't be silly. Let's have a look at the advanced. Okay, cool. Alright, but that will work for him once he plugs his mic in. It's because I haven't got mine. Hang on a moment. It could be because my sound isn't working. So hold on. Bear with me. Sound, port audio. And recording. Okay. So simple screen recorder is recording me, but as you can see the XFCE isn't, so I need to change that to that as well. Okay, now is that picking me up? Is it doobies? Okay, not to worry. I'm not too worried about that, to be honest. Because I know it does work, because I've made a recording on his, and I had to scrap it and scrap the whole thingy. So we do have that. and the old Caden Live, of course, for when he wants to do some editing. There we go. Caden Live up running. Nice one. Okay. So, and he should have NVENC as well. Just let me check for that actually. Yes, NVENC is installed, so he should be able to get the NVENC. What else? He's got Steam installed. I won't bother loading that up, could take too long because like it has to download and business. Did copy, which is a really nice USB bootable thingy. I can quickly show you, I guess. I can format a USB in here. There is, that's the one, and I can call it main format. Now I'll format the key. Okay, it may take longer than normal, but there is a red light down here, so that's cool. Because I'm in the virtual box using USB 1 drivers nowadays. I put an Elm FM, which is a rather cool little file manager, nice and fast. But that's up to him. He's going to theme it himself anyway, so I haven't really put any themes in. Okay, that's telling me it's done. Close. I can now remove that. So yes, more or less it. Discord, Firefox I use for this browser, I know he uses that. Gigolo, I can't remember what that is. What the Gigolo, help about. Simple front end, oh mate, remote slow, okay, cool. Okay, cool, I didn't know what it was. Discord should be okay. Download and update 105 and all that business. So yeah, we've got Discord running. I'm just making sure that I can do what I said I could do. XFCE by no Scooby. There's the LibreOffice Manager. There's the VirtualBox Manager for installing VirtualBox. Says it's bang with us in simulation, yes. And next one should be VirtualBox Sun Oracle or NLUG. So you can install from any of those places. Same for LibreOffice if you want LibreOffice. It should be the 6.3.3, and it is. So that's Discord just disappeared out the way for a minute. And it's installing its updates. But we'll move him over here. So I said I haven't really themed it. It's just got this dark theme. I haven't really put any wallpapers on. I know he has his own. So it's basically got the default wallpaper. The PC Linux OS default wallpaper. I don't think I installed much more. I just wanted to clip the ISO as low as I could. So that was the plan there. And it's alright, in the background I'm installing 105 and this one's testing for load manager updates. So now it should ask me for the region or whatever. So he can actually ask for any region. So being as he's in old Great Britain, he'll be choosing that one there. Anyway, I'm going to cancel that. Passing the load, download and update 1 of 1. Yes, it's going to have a few updates your Discord boy, but you won't really notice it because Well, there you go, based in the game circuit. There we go, digits in the game, blah blah. Yeah, it's trying to anyway, so we'll kill that off. And we'll kill that off, quick Discord. Discord app's trying to load there. Unable to connect, that's alright. It's trying to collect a local host like a chab. Okay, mail reader, no idea, don't even know. Oh yeah, close mail. Cancel. Close. Internet Discord, Firefox, you just saw load. Web browser, Zoom, of course. Zoom, sign in, all that business. 3.0.3 is installed, dude. So I'm hoping that's okay for you. Anyway, I'm going to end this here, and I hope you enjoy using the OS as a secondary, third, or even fourth. It's up to you. It's there for the backup when you need it. Anyway, cheerio, and take care all. Yeah, take care all.